Running a small business is tough. You are juggling clients, marketing, sales, and day to day operation, and it can feel like there are never enough hours in the day. That's why automation is a game changer, and GoHighLevel is one of the best tools to make it happen. But how exactly can small businesses use GoHighLevel to automate their task and save time without losing that personal touch? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will get actionable automation hack that you can implement today or streamline your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to boost your productivity without the headache. If that sounds good to you, hit subscribe and stay tuned for some of the most effective automation tips for small businesses. But before we start, GoHighLevel has a 14 days free trial, but using the description link, you can use the GoHighLevel for 13 days. So go and check that out. First, start with your pipeline. One of the first place to apply automation is your sales pipeline. In GoHighLevel, you can set up pipeline to visualize every stage of your deals from lead capture to closing. But here's the hack. For example, when a lead moves from contacted to proposal sent, you can automatically trigger an email or SMS to keep them engaged. This way, nothing slips through the crack and your pipeline run itself. Second thing is the automated follow-ups. Follow-ups are critical for small businesses, but manually sending them is time consuming. With GoHighLevel, you can set up sequence that can send reminders, follow-ups, and even abandoned cart message automatically. For instance, if a potential client books a call but doesn't show up, you can automatically send a friendly reminder email or SMS. Next thing is the funnel-based automation. Another powerful hack is integrating your funnel with automation. When someone sign up for a free consultant through your funnel, GoHighLevel can immediately trigger an automated workflow. This could include sending a thank you email, adding them into a nurturing sequence, and scheduling follow-up tasks for you. Next hack is the email and SMS sequence. Email and SMS automation in GoHighLevel is especially powerful for small businesses. You can segment your audience based on interest, behavior, or previous purchase, and then trigger personalized sequence that can feel tailored, not robotic. For example, a client who downloaded your ebook that could be automatically receive a sequence with tips, a product offer, and a follow-up call invitation. The next hack is the reputation management hack. Small businesses can also use automation to manage their online reputation. GoHighLevel allow you to automatically request review after a service completed. You can send an automated SMS or email request to your client for asking a feedback, which increases review collection and strengthens your brand, all while standing hands off. So for a small business looking into saving time, improve client follow-up, and increase sale without adding extra stuff, GoHighLevel automation is a game changer. With pipeline, automated sequence, funnel integration, appointment reminder, you can create a workflow that particularly run themselves. The key is setting up smart automation that nurture lead and clients without losing the personal touch. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, hacks, and tutorials to make your business run smoother, and I will see you in the next video.